In example number 27, we are given that the function f maps x onto 2x minus 5. And here we are asked to find the inverse of function f. So for those who can do it mentally, if f maps x onto 2x minus 5, so the inverse will be x plus 5 divided by 2. Now for those who can't do it mentally, then let y is equal to 2x minus 5. Let y equal to this, or let 2x minus 5 is equal to y. So here you need to make x the topic. So x is equal to y plus 5 divided by 2. So the inverse of f is x plus 5 divided by 2. Change y to an x. In part B, we are asked to find the inverse of g. So this is x divided by 2. So for those who can't get it done mentally, then let y is equal to 2x, let 2x is equal to y, x is equal to y divided by 2. So the inverse of g is x divided by 2. In part C, we are asked to find g of f. So this means that function f is an object of function g. So f is now an object of function g. So this is g. Function f is 2x minus 5. So now the object is 2x minus 5. So object now is 2x minus 5. This is 2. The object now is 2x minus 5. So this will give us 4x minus 10. In part B, you are asked to find gf inverse. That means the inverse of this function. Take note that this is the denotation for inverse. So here it means find the inverse of the composite function g of f. So find the inverse of this function. So for those who can get it done mentally, the inverse of g of f is x plus 10 divided by 4. So those who can't get it done mentally, you will do it this way. Let y is equal to this, y is equal to this, or let 4x minus 10 is equal to y. Make x the topic, x is equal to y plus 10 divided by 4. So the inverse of the composite function g of f is, change this to x plus 10 over 4. Now in part E, you are asked to find f inverse of g inverse. So this means that the inverse of g is now the object of the inverse of f. So means that the inverse function of g inverse is object of the inverse of f. So means that now the inverse of g is x over 2. Now this is now the object of this function. So this is equal to, so the inverse function, so now this is x over 2. I have x over 2 plus 5 divided by 2. So simplifying this, the LCM is a 2. So I have x plus 5 times 2, 10 divided by 2 divided by 2. So bring this down over here. I have x plus 10 over 4. So take note that this and this, they are the same. So it means that the relationship between this and this is the inverse of the composite function g of f is f inverse g inverse. So this is a very important relationship.